Welcome back to Rachel's Garden. Today I am starting the single seed challenge as set out by Mr. Scott Head over at Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. And today I will be planting the purple Russian tomato. It was a free gift seed from Baker Creek. And I'm using it as my single seed because I didn't originally plan on having it in my garden. So I will have just one single plant of this in my garden, and we'll be able to watch it all the way from seed to harvest, which I think is really cool because usually you're sowing, so many seeds and you never get to really watch one seed's journey as it goes all the way through. You just kind of at some point end up with mature plants that came from somewhere. So I've got right here my little soil cup. It's a red solo cup basically, and I've prepared it the way that Jess from Roots and Refuge talks about in one of her videos. There's a hole drilled in the bottom of this internal cup, and the external cup is for catching the drainage. So let's go ahead and pick out a seed and get started. Alright, so here are my seeds, and I really want to choose the best looking seed so that it has a really high chance of germinating and we don't have to start this whole challenge over. So I think I'm gonna pick this guy right here. This is going to be my single seed, and we're going to take him, poke a little hole in my pre-moistened seed starting mix, drop him in. Alrighty. And that is my single seed. I'll be updating as soon as it sprouts and when it goes in the garden and all of that good stuff. So stay tuned. Check out the hashtag single seed challenge or single seed challenge 2020 to keep up with everybody else that Scott's got who's doing this challenge. See you guys next time. Happy gardening.
Thank you guys for watching.